Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting this week on GBP USD. So if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, make a comment, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So starting with our daily time frame, what is our current trend? We clearly can see that we are on a downtrend move. So on the daily time frame, this is our lower high. This is our lower high here. Here comes the lower low. Market is currently playing lower high. So once it plays the lower high finish, which I don't think it has played finish, I still expect some bullish move to the upside. Once it plays the lower high finish, then expect another lower low. Now let's go down to the daily 4-hour time frame. So we clearly can see that we are having a series of lower low and a lower high. So this our lower high here. This is our lower low. This is also our lower high. Here comes the lower low. And now market is currently playing lower high. So you should still expect that bullish move. Once it plays the lower high finish, expect another lower low. So possibly we should be expecting it to come to the level of 500 or 500 or maybe less. Anyway, it gets to expect the sale. So stay updated and follow the Telegram. You'll find the link in the comment section.